So I'm talking to Jyotiram Pasupalak. And to start with, Jyotiram, can you tell me briefly about yourself?
Yeah. Hi, Vishwadeep. Nice meeting you again here. And hi, everyone. My name is Jyoti Ram, and I work for Sun Microsystems India Private Limited. I lead service delivery operation out of India for the Asia Pacific customers. So it is a remote service delivery operation specific to storage support. From that perspective, it is very critical to understand how to manage the operation, looking at the data. Data plays a critical role managing the operation. So when I had joined Sun, while I was working on operational improvements, I was a part of a couple of Six Sigma initiatives. And through that process, I got an interest to learn Six Sigma. So through my friends, I came to know about Benchmark Six Sigma, and I had enrolled for the Green Belt certification program. And the program was so good, and it triggered me to really go through the Six Sigma methodologies, tools to larger extent. Six Sigma had decided to go through the Black Belt training, and I did the same through Benchmark Six Sigma. And Vishwadeep was the trainer for the Green Belt certification, and the training program was so good that I had recommended to get him as the trainer in the Black Belt as well. When I got into the Black Belt training, I understood from other participants that most of them had preferred to have Vishwadeep to deliver that training. So I really appreciate that training program, the way it is being conducted, and the way it has been imparted, and the way the contents have been developed as well. So I had heard about other institutions delivering this training program, and a few of my team members had attended that program, and I had got the feedback. And from assessing all these programs, I had concluded that Six Sigma Benchmark is the place to go for. And also I have completed my lean program, lean management certification through Benchmark Six Sigma. Going through these training programs, the experiences were really good, and I have gained the knowledge how to make use of the tools and technologies related to Six Sigma. And practically, I have also started implementing certain tools which was being taught. I realized that I need to be really in touch with the tools and technologies what I have learned. And also, I saw small opportunities where I can make use of these tools for the process improvement. So in that process, I will talk about 3 specific areas where I have used all these processes and brought in some improvement in the operational matrices. First thing, I will talk about the data gathering process. When we do a Black Belt project, we start with the data gathering. And if someone has gone through this program, he must be knowing how to have data integrity or clarity in the data gathering process. So we have to make use of the GazeRR tool to really establish the repeatability and reproducibility of the data. So the data here plays a critical role. So while I was working on my operation, I had found that when someone asks the operations managers to provide their operational performance reporting, we do see lots of gap in the data. So many times we keep on mulling over the data, why data is not same when 3 different managers are reporting the same data. To address that, probably this is the tool I found much more handy to really work on. And through this, using GazeRR study and tools, I could manage to bring in the process improvement, meaning I found the gaps where we are doing the mistakes. And even though this data source was single, but the data was reported by various people, there was a big gap. So to address that, we used this GazeRR study, we found the gap, and we ensured only a single interface and single logic will be used while reporting the data. Even whoever reports the data using this single interface, single data source, single logic, has given the same data reporting or data time and again. So we don't see any of those gaps. This has really reduced the burden on the managers, really having the data in a consistent fashion. To have the right picture, it is very imperative to have the right size of samples picked for the surveys. So using the tools which were being taught in the black belt, I could manage to come up with the required number of sample size. Doing so, it gave the right picture, and now the confidence interval I have is plus or minus 5, which looks pretty good in fact, and I know we can really do improvement within this area. Third one, what I have utilized so far is the hypothesis testing, especially the regression analysis, and while working on certain process improvements, I have used this tool to large extent. Whenever we see issues or feedbacks coming from customer which points to the process change, and at that point of time I go back and look at the data and do the hypothesis testing to understand whether there is a requirement to change the process or not, or certain steps in the process or not, and that helps really to justify whether the current process is the correct process we have, or we have to make a drastic change in that. So these are the three critical aspects or tools I have used so far, and I don't believe that you need to really find a project to use your skills, black belt skill. After going through the lean program, another thing I have learned that always do not look for the Six Sigma project. Probably you can use lean and lean methodologies to really bring in process improvement and cost improvement. So the bottom line is, when you are working in an organization, you have to bring in improvement day on day basis, month on month basis, year on year basis. That is the bottom line. So whichever is the methodology you use doesn't make any difference as long as you are bringing in cost improvement as well as process improvement. So from now onwards, so the way ahead is I will look for opportunities where I can make use of Six Sigma black belt projects, or maybe I can make use of the lean project. So I will keep my eyes open, looking out for opportunities, and I will make use of the right tools as and when needed.